are you doing today?
Did anyone else notice that there was no super easy and fun, but Justin said it anyway?
No.
So first, this is what you call an elevator fold or a door fold. I forgot. My origami teacher is Korean, so I can't really tell what she says half of the time.
Me too.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
That's a bad thing.
So first, you fold it on the corner. It's actually really easy. So first, you fold it on the corners, and then you fold them like that again. And then these are really easy. And then you go slip them in, and then boo! Yeah, you have one. Now make 5 more of them. We need 6 total.
What the?
500
That is
years
a lot.
later.
My mom just speeded it because if we watch the whole thing.
I'm the one who taught her to make it because I am the boss here.
No,
Apparently,
the origami teacher at Korean school taught you.
no,
You did
she
not.
only taught me how to make one, and she didn't teach me how to make these. What?
Oh.
Ew! It's a little derby worm thing. It looks like an egg.
It is an egg.
Making
Now
the
we're
bottom piece.
making the bottom piece.
So make the edge match it, match that. Hey, where'd the speed go? Oh, it disappeared. And then make it look like it's
like
a
a
house.
house shape.
And then fold it like that again. And the final fold. And then you must glue it together.
Glue
The
it.
hard and generous work of, I don't know. I'm just rambling. What's your favorite color?
It's falling. The glue
Hey,
didn't
Justin.
work that good.
What's your favorite color?
I don't know. Okay.
Choose this color.
Tata.
His favorite color is no color. We have all decreed that. Mine is pastel.
Mine is black.
Your favorite color is black? Okay, you'll now wear black clothes for the rest of
glued it.
eternity.
No. Now we made multiple.
Did you know I made all of them except for one?
Yeah.
I'm the
Look at the thingy.
Look at
Now
the
we're
cool
making
faces.
Let's
Which one do
draw
you like
some
best?
cute faces.
I think I'm the angry one right now. Actually, no, I'm the happy one. No,
Um,
I'm the nosy one.
I'm this guy. No, oh yeah, I am this guy.
He does. Just for your information, he hasn't grown a mustache yet, but he likes to pretend. This guy kind of looks like a paper bag,
No, it's
and
not.
it has the qualities that reminds me of a paper bag. Oh,
Yeah, now we're finished. Never mind.
Oh, look at
Who
the
is
little
this
bear. Oh, yes, this is me. See, can you see how it's being mad at the mustache guy? That is so me because I'm really annoyed at him.
We are done. Also find us at Etsy, bighlui.com. Please subscribe. Have a good day.
I am glaring at my brother. This is a very accurate version of real life. I am glaring at him right now.
No.
Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.